So in problem number 56, we have two binomials which are being multiplied together. We know they're multiplied together because it has a parentheses here and a parentheses here. Anytime you have two parentheses next to each other, it is multiplying. So in this one, we have a trick to remember, right? We call it FOIL. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and then last. Okay, and all this is doing is it's doing what we call the distributive property, and it's distributing each one of these terms. This is our first term. It's distributing them to both of them. So we do first. First step is we do first. So 6x times 6x is 36x squared. Second, we do our outer. So 6x and 1 are our outer. So 6x times 1 is 6x. Then we do our inner. Negative 2 times 6x is negative 12x. And negative 2 times 1 is our last. And so that'll give us minus 2. 36x squared, we combine our like terms. 6x minus 12x is minus 6x minus 2. And that's our answer. This is really important because when we get into factoring, what we're doing is reversing this step. And we're going from here back up to there. So you have to understand how to distribute before you can understand how to factor.